All right, good morning, everybody. How y'all doing today? Today is Tuesday, November the 27th. I hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving with it. My Thanksgiving was pretty great. You know what I'm saying? I can't complain. Didn't get to see much family, but I kicked it with a few friends, saw a little family and everything. But, you know what I'm saying? Thank God I made it. But this is the last couple weeks before we go ahead and get into Christmas vacation. So your children are probably going to be doing a lot of testing, a lot of review and everything. So basically what today is going to be kind of like a review, okay? But I'm putting in a little extra into it today. All right. Today is going to be adding and subtracting fractions and showing models. Models are, I guess like models is like showing work, showing the work. So I got my board and everything set up. Change it right there to a 207. It's been a while since I did it. Okay. All right, the first thing you got to do when showing a model is show the model for 1/3 and 1/2. Okay. A model for 1/3 is going to be like but there's 1/3. That's basically what 1/3 looks like. Okay. 1/2 is going to be half of it, right? And shade it. Okay. Now, remember, when you're adding or subtracting fractions, what's the first thing you have to do? Find the common denominator, right? Okay. You gotta find the common denominator. All right, you can go 3 times 2 is 6, and of course it's gonna be a common denominator. But it's like finding the least common factor that they both can go into, the smallest number they both can go into. So in this case, 6 is it. Okay? Now in order to get 6 here, what times 3 equals 6? I say 2, okay? So you're going to multiply by 2 over 2. Okay? What times 2 gives you 6? Okay, let's just go 6 over here. 6 is going to be our common denominator. Okay? So it's going to be 3 times 2 equals 6. So you're going to go 3, 3. Okay? So in order to do that, I have to model this and make this into 6. So it's going to be 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. 2, 6. Okay, so in order to make this into 6, draw a line right there. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 2 of them are shaded. Alright? Now in order to make this into 3, 6s make this into 6s. Got 3s, so I'm going to go 1. Make that into 6, okay? 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. So half of it is still shaded, but it's just more blocks that are shaded and more blocks that aren't. Okay, so basically I just expanded the problem. Okay, so I got 2, 6 plus 3, 6. Okay, remember we're never adding or subtracting. The denominator is going to stay the same. It's still going to be 6 boxes. Okay. And make your model show the work. Okay. So you got 2, 6 plus 3, 6 equals 5, 6. Right? All right, how many do I have shaded? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of the 6 are shaded. Okay? So notice going to be by finding common denominator and showing work I can add and subtract fractions. Alright. Let's do another one. I'm gonna do another one. It's gonna be a little bit more off the Richter for you. Well, I'm always buying socks in the springtime. Sock racer. Okay. So we're gonna do 2/3 plus 1/4. Okay. First thing we gotta do is show the model. Show the model for 2/3. And a model for 1/4. Okay. 2/3. Take advantage of my markers, so I'm using them while I got them. Okay. It's 2/3 and 1/4. All right. So basically, I got 2/3 because 2 of the 3 blocks are shaded in, right? And I got 1 of the 4 blocks are shaded in. Okay. What's the next step we have to do in order to add these? Find the common denominator. Okay. Common denominator in this one is going to be. All right. Let's use the little T-scale. Maybe we can use a T-scale. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 5 is 20. Okay? Common denominator, I see the least common factor that I see that they have combined, that they have together. 12. Okay? So I got the 12. All right, so I'm going to erase that right there. So 3 times what gives me 12? Okay? I know 3 times 4 gives me 12. So multiply top and bottom by 4. 4 times what gives me 12? 3. We know 3 times 4 gives me 12. Okay, now we have to make showing in the model. Okay, so if we got 3 times 4 is going to be 12. 12 is our common denominator. Okay, 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, now know they're short on the model. Okay, 4, so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. Now it's 12 boxes. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. So you see we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 12. 8 12s. 8 out of 12 are shaded, right? Okay, down here I got 1, 2, 3 out of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 out of 12 are shaded, right? Because I mean, these are the remainder. Remember, 12 is going to be our denominator, so the 12 ain't going to change regardless of whatever we're doing. Okay? So, that being said, 8 plus 3 equals 11. 11 12s. Alright, and you go back and check it. Find out which ones that you have shaded, and that ought to give you 11 out of 12. Right? Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 out of the 12 squares are shaded. Right? Okay, now this is how they show their work. This is the models that they will be doing to show that they're not just coming up with the answer on the top of their head, which as you get better in math, it'd be easy to come up with answers off the top of your head. But they want to make sure you know what you're doing, so that's why they have models. Some of the models are pretty cool, like the model with multiplying fractions. That's going to be crazy. It's fun to do though, but I'll show you guys how to do that, of course. But today, this is adding and subtracting fractions and showing the models on how to do it. Alright, so if your child is having problems with the models, then this would be a good time to get with me, because I'm going to be showing a lot of models coming up in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be doing a lot of models for them to see and a lot of models for them to do to show their work. So whenever they have to take the milestone down here in Georgia, they have to take these tests down here in Georgia and everything, they will know how to do it. Alright? So I'd like to tell everybody to have a great day. Follow me on my page, VicLynn1 on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, Business1000. I'm always talking positive, you know what I'm saying? Not a negative person, no negative comments. Appreciate it. But you guys have a great day, whatever. Get your day started, go ahead and get your cup of joe warmed up. Get your car warmed up, it's pretty cold out there. Don't y'all get sick. Peace. Y'all have a good day.